Alright, here's our adventure today. So, this truck has a pretty big breakover angle, and the departure angle is really short. And going in and out of driveways, they constantly scrape. So, we're going to chop all this crap off right here and put it above that bar. So, yeah, let's go ahead and chop this stuff up and make it different. Here we go. Oopsie, it just fell apart. All right, let's clean it up and make stuff different. All right, there we go. We got her all nailed together, and way more gooder than what it was. You figure between that and that was a 5.5 inch. So we're 5.5 inches taller. Breakover angle's way more gooder than what it was. And I'll tell you what, it's a dang good thing I'm amphibious, because I've had this whole entire thing has been left-handed. And I'm running a little slow today. This is taking like twice as long as it should have. Kinda, because I also decided to clock myself in the face with a metal bar the other day. Yeah, so dealing with a concussion and a massive infection, and yeah, homie's not running on all 8 right now. But we got her together. We're gonna go ahead and poof her with some pretty stuff, and yeah. Anyway, yeah. Well, that looks better. Now to do the trailer plug thing. Yeah, that. And there we go, all done.